Welcome to Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics Homework 2.2, Question 1. It says, the position versus time for a certain object moving along the x-axis is shown. The object's initial position is 1 meter. Find the instantaneous velocity at 6 seconds. Answer in units of meters per second. So I'm looking for an instantaneous velocity at 6 seconds. Well, my graph goes in time 1 through 9 seconds. So I'm looking for the instantaneous velocity at 6 seconds, which would put me right along here. Now, to get my velocity at here, especially an instantaneous velocity, my instantaneous velocity is the slope of a line that is tangent to this curve. Well, since it's a straight line, it's actually just going to be the slope of that line segment, because that velocity is a constant velocity. The position is changing with time at a constant rate along that line segment from 5 through 7 seconds. So during that period of time, it's moving at a constant velocity. So if I want the velocity at that point, I can get the slope of this whole line segment. Well, on my graph, the slope of this line segment, it goes from 4 to -4. So that's a rise of -8. So it goes the y-axis -8 in the same time that it takes 2 seconds on the x-axis. So rise over run is going to be -8 divided by 2. So on my graph, this is -8 divided by 2 gives me -4, and the units for slope, this is meters, this is seconds, so that's -4 meters per second. That is the slope of this line segment. That is the velocity at this point in time, and it's the velocity at any point in time along here, the instantaneous velocity.